Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel FORnSEC Solutions. Today we are diving into defensive cybersecurity tools. In our last video, we explored the world of malware as a service and how these platforms are making cyber threats more accessible than ever before. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend checking it now. The link is in the description below. Today I am excited to show you about Wazuh, an open source SIEM solution that helps organizations detect threats, monitor systems, and respond to incidents in real time. Let's jump right in and see what Wazuh can do. Hello, I'm Arman, and in this short walkthrough, I'll be giving you a quick overview of the powerful SOC solution that we use for monitoring, threat detection, and for overall infrastructure security. This is the initial dashboard presented to analysts upon logging into the SOC solution. It offers a wide range of features and tools, all essential for effective SOC monitoring and for incident visibility. On the left side, you can see the status of the agents connected to the SOC solution, including their current state. By clicking on the active agents, you can access more detailed information about the endpoints currently integrated with the system. Here, we can view the basic information about the connected endpoints such as their agent ID, agent name, IP address, assigned group, operating system, and the current status within the SOC solution. Within the initial dashboard, this section displays the alerts triggered across various endpoints within the last 24 hours, which the analysts are required to review and respond to. The alerts are categorized into 4 severity levels, that is low, medium, high, and critical severities. By clicking on the critical alert option, we can directly access all the alerts classified as critical within the SOC solution. Clicking here reveals detailed information about the critical alerts that have been triggered, such as the timestamp, agent IP, agent name, rule description, rule level, and other relevant data. In the initial dashboard under endpoint security, there is a configuration assessment option that evaluates system configurations against industry benchmarks such as CIS. Clicking on this option redirects us to a detailed view showing assessment results for each individual endpoint. Here, by clicking on the select agent, we can choose a specific endpoint to view detailed benchmark results, indicating whether they have passed or they have failed. Selecting a particular benchmark provides further insights including its rationale, remediation, description, check conditions, and associated compliance standards. Now back to the initial dashboard. Under Endpoint Security, Malware Detection option identifies the malware present on specific endpoints. Clicking on this option redirects us to a detailed view showing malware detection results for each individual endpoint. This overview highlights the malware detection for each individual endpoint. By clicking on the Explore agent, allows us to view malware detection details for each agent, and clicking on the Generate Report action generates us a report, as you can see here. Now back to the initial dashboard. Under Endpoint Security, File Integrity Monitoring tracks changes to files in critical directories on each endpoint. Selecting this option opens a detailed view with monitoring results for every endpoint. Here there is an overview that displays the file integrity monitoring results for all endpoints. By clicking on the Explore Agent option, we can view the monitoring details for a particular endpoint. And by clicking on the Generate Report option, we can generate a report, as you can see here. Clicking on the Events tab provides detailed file integrity data per event and endpoint. Whenever any changes are made to the files, the alert is triggered and is displayed here. Under the Threat Intelligence section, the threat hunting lets you search for specific IOCs across endpoints. This option provides an overview of alerts by type and by endpoint. Here we can view the threat hunting results for specific endpoints. By clicking on this option, we can view the threat hunting results for various different endpoints. And by clicking on the Generate Report option, a report is generated, as you can see here. Now back to the initial dashboard. Under Threat Intelligence, Vulnerability Detection scans endpoints for vulnerabilities. This view provides an overview of vulnerabilities by severity and by endpoint. This view shows vulnerabilities by severity and type, with CVE numbers, the top 5 most vulnerable agents, and so on. By clicking on the Explore Agent option, we can view the vulnerability detection for any specific endpoint. By clicking on the Inventory tab displays more details about the vulnerabilities, such as the severity of the vulnerability, their CVE numbers, and by clicking on this option provides us even more details about the vulnerabilities. Under Security Operations, options cover security compliances such as PCI DSS, GDPR, HIPAA, NIST, and TSA. And under Cloud Security Integration, we have Docker, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, GitHub, and Office 365. That was a brief walkthrough of the SOC solution. It gives us real-time visibility into the environment, helping us detect, investigate, and respond to security threats effectively.
That was all about the overview of the SIEM solution Wazuh. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. See you next time.